Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve the problem sum except first and last. So in this question there is a given array ARR of numbers integers. So we need to return the total sum of elements except first and last elements. So in the given example, the first one, the total sum except the first element is 5 and the last element is 90. So removing those two, what is the remaining sum? It is 283. So in the second example, we can see 5 first element, 11 last element, both are removed. So remaining are 10 plus 1. So it is 11. So in third example, we can see 5 is first, 10 is last. Remaining those two leaves an empty array. So the sum is 0. So in this way. So they give the value in the array or the size of array. These both are minimum going to be of length 2 or of minimum value 2. So expected they give n log n, which is quite huge respective to this problem. Actually we will need further less time only to solve this problem. So our approach is take a variable to store sum and loop which go from index 1, which is a second value, to element before last element. So in this way we are going to avoid first element and last element. So that's it. So the variable is written at last as a result. So how we can do it? So if you see the first example, or we can go through the second example. So I start from first index. So initially the I value sum is equals to 0. So 10. So sum is equals to sum plus 10. So sum is equals to 10. Next, for I is equals to 2, the value is 1. So sum is equals to sum plus 1. So sum is equals to 10 plus 1 is equals to 11. So the output is 11. So excluding these two values, first and last elements, we are going to traverse in this way. So how can we do it? So we said we will take a integer variable sum, start from 0 value, and for loop start from int I is equals to, we wrote here, go from index 1 to I less than length before last element. So it is going to be like this every time I plus plus. So sum plus equals to, what is the value? It is array of I. We need to access using the index from array like this. So after the loop, just give the output to them. Sorry, we gave different name, it was sum. So sample test case is fast. Return test case is also fast. So coming to the complexities, time is, we used a single loop which depends on the size of the given input. So it is big of n. So space is, we didn't use any dynamic space, but just one variable, it is static, so it is constant big of 1. So expected also big of 1 space, time is n log n. So they give more than the required time complexity in the expected. So our solution is still more optimal than the expected solution they want. So the solution is easily acceptable by this question. So this problem link is given in the description. Go and practice the problem. Thank you for watching.